Hi everyone. Today we're going to be talking about changing the app permissions on your Android phone. This sample here shows what it looked like when you tried to install Facebook on your Android phone running anything prior to Android Marshmallow. You can see that it would try and access your calendar, your contacts, your location, your pictures, your camera, everything on your phone it needed access to. And you either had to accept all those or choose to not install the application. Well, with Android Marshmallow and then Android Nougat after that, Google has changed it so now you can install an application and it won't ask for any of these permissions until it needs them. I'll show you what that looks like here. If you swipe down from the top twice and click the gear icon, it'll take you into your settings. If you go into the device section, you're going to see apps. We select apps, and then I'm going to scroll down to where I have Facebook installed. As I said, when I installed this, it didn't ask for any permissions, and then later, as I was using it, it would then ask me for special permissions based on what it needed to do. For example, when I tried to upload a picture or a video to Facebook, it would then prompt me to give it access to the storage on my phone. So if I pick the permissions in the middle of the page there, you'll see all the same things that we saw in the previous picture, but I have a toggle. On the right side, I can turn off permissions to all these, so they default to off, and then as you utilize them, it's going to prompt you to let it turn on. You can always deny them. It may not let the app work as it meant to. For example, you couldn't upload a picture to Facebook if it doesn't have access to your storage. But this gives you a handy way to go and either turn them on or turn them off whenever you need. If we back up here to the full list of apps we saw before, if we click the gear icon in the apps folder, you're going to see an option at the top that says app permissions. Click on that, and this will filter by the different permissions that are on your phone. So if we look at here my contacts, it says I have 27 of 76 apps allowed. So 76 applications want access to my contacts, but I've only allowed 26 of them. You can see a few samples here where I can very easily see which applications I'm allowing to see my contacts and turn them on or off. Well, that's a pretty simple overview of app permissions, but again, this is a huge change with Android Marshmallow, so hopefully you're running a phone with a later version, and this was helpful. Thanks, have a nice day.